Hey everyone, this will be an unboxing here of the Motorola Moto G Power. This one in particular is the Total by Verizon version of this, but I think no matter what company you go with, they should get the same stuff in the box, at least I would imagine. This one is a pay-as-you-go phone. See here, I only paid $35. I actually didn't even pay that. It was even more discounted than that. I paid like 30 bucks for this thing. So here it has a 6.5-inch HD Plus Max Vision display. Not exactly sure what HD Plus Max means. My guess would be at least 1080p. Multiple cameras, 3-day battery life, which is really good for one of these types of phones. Most of these types of phones, at least in this Total by Verizon track phone type phones, only have like a day battery life. Not even. They have like super small batteries. Wi-Fi calling capable. 64 gigabytes of storage, which again is like double most of what these phones have. Octa-core processor, again, really good. And it's also hearing aid compatible. So this is probably one of the better phones you can get, at least from the Total by Verizon in this price range here. Alright, then all these Total by Verizon packages are pretty much the same. So it is underneath this plastic bit here. You have the phone here. If we can get this out. And underneath that you have some paperwork, and more paperwork. We have a cable, which I'm gonna guess is USB Type-C. Yeah, it looks like USB Type-C. We actually have a Motorola charger here. This looks to be a 10-watt charger, and you see the 10 right here. So it's really nice. I'll pay, well, normally 70 bucks for this phone, but I only paid 35 bucks to actually get a charger with it. It's pretty sweet. Do have a SIM card ejector there as well. The phone itself, so again, it shows you some stuff we already talked about. Alright, the back of this is just all plastic. It does have some cool texture to it though. So you can see those lines there. That actually is a texture, not just a look. It does have the Motorola symbol there. And like all these Total by Verizon, again, it is a track phone, which is weird to me. You know, it's Motorola. We do have actually a little bit of plastic there on the lenses. This actually looks like a triple lens here as well. Also the flash there. It's all pretty sweet for this phone. And we'll just turn this on. Not gonna set up, we'll just turn it on. And there we go, it does turn on right out of the box. It's always a nice thing. So far, this seems like a nice phone. It feels good too in the hand. It doesn't feel like a cheap phone. This is a Motorola, so it should be pretty good. As far as cheap phones go, this should be a pretty good one. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I will be making more videos on this little phone, or big phone, to come. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.